Hello friends, in this video we're going to look at Smule app pop-up issue that requires the location. So whenever we first open the app or if we clear the app and open it again, it will ask you pop-up for the location that says music in my area. For solution, it gives you two options, no thanks and okay. If you're okay with giving the location, you can click on okay, and if you click no thanks, it will close the pop-up and the app works fine. But the problem arises when you close the app and start it again. So what happens is once you close it and open it, that comes back again. Now we'll also look what happens if we click OK. So once we click OK, it will bring up another pop-up that says allow Smule to access this device location. In this, it will give you two options, deny or allow. Well, if you choose to deny it, and it will close, and then when you start the app again, it will come back again. And if you click on allow, you have to give the permission. So rather than selecting either the allow part or the deny button, what we are going to do is we are going to first select the don't ask again button. Once we click on that, that will remove the allow part and only shows the deny part. So in this section, if you click on deny, it will close the pop-up and the app works fine. And let's check again if the solution works. We'll close the app again and we'll start it again as well. Okay, we are starting the app again. So once the app comes up, it doesn't ask any permission for the location, so we are fine with it. We succeeded on that. Thanks for watching.